Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we have a very interesting project that we are looking at. It's called B3. Of course the token is called B3 as well as its name is B3 network. It is basically open gaming layer 3 on base network, so that is very interesting. So basically they are working on the gaming industry and it is from the X-Base team, and that is a massive thing if you look at it, because if you look at the success of the base network, that is a massive thing. And they also have some from Axie Infinity, as you can see, some from Lion, so they do have a pretty strong team, so that's pretty good. After that, so it is going to be a gaming platform for all. As you can see, it is for the builders as well as for the players. So for the players, they have something called basement.fun. As you can see, there are a lot of games here, I believe around 92 as of now, and users can actually play these. And some games do require B3 coin and some can be played for free, and users do get some kind of points, and these points do earn them these gaming coins as well as from rewards from the B3. So that's pretty good. I think the concept is there, and I think this is a very interesting concept in a gaming industry, and this is seems to be a pretty new concept. If you look here, connected game chain, so basically they have a shared incentive. As you can see, game chains earn revenue share from users they refer. B3 jump starts growth by dedicating a part of its token supply to creators and influencers as well. It is for the gamers and by the gamers. As you can see here, there is a voting as well, where gamers can actually fund their favorite game, so that's pretty good. And if you look at their overall stats, they are pretty impressive. As you can see here, uh, it is for the super chain, so it does not have that much of a hassle of bridging from other chains, so that's pretty good. And as for their wallets, as you can see, over 6 million, so that is a massive amount. Of course most of them would be because of the airdrop farmers, but still that's pretty good, I think. So this is the bridge. As you can see here, you can bridge from base ETH to basically B3 network, which is a layer 3, so that's pretty good, built on top of base. So let's see what the B3 is actually all about. So as you can see here, it is created by a team of a base slash Coinbase alumni and OG ETH contributors. B3 is a fun first gaming ecosystem built on top of base, so that's pretty good. After that, it is for the players as well as for the developers. As you can see, we have game chain for developers, we have gaming platform for players, which is called Basement, we just checked. So basically, as you can see here, it is a dedicated block space for games who want to access cheap and fast and secure EVM blockchain, so that's pretty good. This is their basically ecosystem. They have tools, they have bridge, they also have earn points, and they have play games, so that's pretty good. It is an open gaming ecosystem, so the concept is really well. As you can see here, a few core reasons underpin this stagnation. So we have basically there are a lot of games dominated by app stores and trade publishers, so that is somewhat, I think, basically these are the problems why they want B3 to take off, so that's pretty good. It is fast and cheap, so that's pretty good. It is settled on base, so base is a layer 2, this is going to be a layer 3, and it is also B3 rollup engine, as you can see here. Beside that, and they have this thing going on. Anyways, so let's move to the important thing, which is the tokenomics of this coin. So if you look here, the token actually launched, I think, on the 10th Feb, as you can see, and it has been trading at the same price as it launched, as you can see here, and the market cap is somewhere around 158 million. It's pretty good, I think. Again, it's a gaming niche, and gaming niche has been struggling a lot, so let's see what happens. Anyways, so look, coming to the token, it has a max supply of 100 billion, as you can see, which is a lot of supply anyways. So circulating supply is around 21.2 billion, as you can see here. And if you look at the distribution, so 20% goes to the investors, and I believe it is locked till 2030, and the first vesting is coming after 1 year, typical vesting schedule like for all the new coins, so that's something that you should keep that in mind. Again, we have community and ecosystem funds, as we have foundation, we have a team and advisor. So basically teams and advisor funds are locked for 1 year. After that they will get, I think, monthly unlocks. So that means we will see a massive sell pressure after 1 year. As of now, it seems to be a pretty good hold. If you're planning to hold this coin, of course it can go up or it can go down, that is different. Anyways, looking at foundation, the foundation is getting some of the tokens, as you can see here. So that's something that you should keep that in mind. After that, what is the utility of this coin? So this is, I think, where it gets very interesting. So first of all, you can actually stake B3 to receive exposure to future B3 game chains. So if you do is you are staking, you can earn a pretty good rewards, as you can see here. When you stake your B3 tokens, these funds help bring games to life. As a reward, you earn a yield in a basket of various blue chip tokens participating in their gaming ecosystem. So basically, B3 okay, anyways. So basically you get a reward, so that's pretty good. After that, looking at the second utility, it is also used to fund and publish the games you believe in and earn rewards. You can also earn those games tokens as well, so that's pretty good. Basically airdrop farming. After that, we have get early access to games and new features on basement, so that's pretty good. Participate in governance, so that's something you can do as well. As for the developers, they can earn referral rewards across all players on any game chain. We have received future airdrops from infrastructure partners as well, so that's something good as well. Again, I think the utility is pretty good, so that's, I think, a big win for this coin there. Anyways, coming to some of the other things that this coin has, which are pretty interesting, are this one. So let's just scroll down a bit. As you can see here, we have js.base.eth, so that is a massive one, and it is he seems to be bullish on this project, so that's pretty good, I think, for this coin. Again, looking at other things, their team did put a lot of hours to straw farmers and it worked, so that's pretty good. So basically these token will most likely go towards, I believe, real community, so that's pretty good, I think. Again, overall, I think the project overall is pretty good. They do have pretty good fundamentals, and they did get a pretty good listing. So if you look here, the coin actually at launch secured a Coinbase listing, which is a massive deal. I don't see any project, I have seen a lot, but this coin did get a listing at launch, so that's pretty good. After that, we have Bybit listing and some other listings as well, so that's, I think, big win for this coin in general. After that, if we look at another thing, which is that the first thing was that it secured a pretty good listing, and the other thing was that they stopped farmers. The third thing is that they have that seems to have a pretty good team, and the fundamentals seems to be pretty strong. But the problem with these coins is that still it is a gaming niche, so gaming coins have struggled a lot. So if we look at, let's just say that we open a biggest project, which is a sand, and if you look at the sandbox, it has been struggling and it is trading below 1 billion market cap, which is a massive deal, because I think the hype for the gaming coins have gone down. As you can see here, we had a massive hype in 2021 and we are going down and down, so that may not be good. Of course, this is again, this is the Metaverse coin, but let's just look at Gala, which is a massive platform like this one for the gaming. Again, same story here, it has been going down. As you can see, it had a massive pump in 2021, again going down and down. So I think there is a potential downtrend for this coin in the future, because of course it can easily 2x from here, because the market cap is not that big compared to its fundamentals. But you know what happens in crypto, a market never works out the way you expect it to work, so it is hard to say where the coin will go. But I think if you're planning to buy this coin, it is better to wait to get it at least below 50 cent, below 50, or even I think below 45 could be a pretty good entry point because it has a low of 40, as you can see here. So even if we do hit this support zone, which is around 40, it can actually go up again. But as of now, it has a lot of hype, and I think that is most likely because of the team. So let's see what happens. But I think this one will most likely, and this one can easily go 2x from here, or it can go even 2x down as well. So that is my verdict on this coin. Anyways, let's see what happens. Let me know what you think about this coin in the comment section below. Anyway, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.